Magdasal na kayo dahil ang aawitin ay The Prayer.
Uy, alam ko yan, The Prayer.
Baba na yan.
It's like a discovery. Ay, hindi ba yun?
Just like a prayer. Ang aawit ng The Prayer ay... Sino ang gusto nyo?
Julina daw, Julina. O, tingnan natin. Ayan na. Ayan na, oh. Ayan na, oh.
Eh, tapos na eh. Tapos na si Rachel eh. Isa pa.
Ayan na, ayan na, oh. Ayan na, oh. Ayan na, oh. Ay, sik Jonalie!
Oh my gosh! Iilan na lang kami natitira dito.
Kayang-kaya.
Labas na tayo.
Jonalie, may last words ka ba?
Sana po maka-survive.
Kaya mo yan. Ikaw pa. Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
I pray you'll be our eyes and watch us where we go and help us to be wise in times when we don't know. Let this be our prayer when we lose the way. Lead us to a place, guide us with your grace to a place where we'll be safe. Our pain and sorrow will be ended, and every heart that's broken will be mended, and we'll remember we're all God's children, reaching out and touch you, reaching to the sky. We ask that life be kind and watch us from above. We hope each soul will find another soul to let this be your prayer. Just like every child need to find a place, guide us with your grace, give us faith so we'll be
Yakan-yakay.
Wala lang.
Wala namang kahirap-hirap itong mga to.
Sisiw eh.
Bonggang-bongga naman yon.
Oh, sino pa naiiwan?
Okay.
Sino naiiwan?
Ang susunod na kanta.
Ako ako natira.
Inseparable.
Inseparable.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Inseparable.
Inseparable, hindi mapaghiwalay. Jonalie Rachel. Julie na yan. Julie na.
Malinaw, Julie.
Julie.
Ako?
Julie na. Okay.
Ay.
Pale.
Oh my gosh.
Pwedeng
Taas
pala.
pa naman ito.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Time inseparable.
Dun, dun, dun.
That's how we'll always be. Inseparable. Just you and me. It's so wonderful to know you'll always be around. When like a flower to a tree, like words to a melody of love. That's the way we could break up. No words that could make us, but Lord, think we're just
Yeah, baby.
inseparable. That's how it is. Oh, inseparable for the rest of our years. It's so wonderful to know you'll always be around.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Grabe naman.
Naman yun.
Grabe naman yun. Grabe naman yun, Julie.
Galing.
Baka
Buti na natapos na ako.
Julie niya.
Out Here on My Own ang
Oy.
kinanta ni Thea Megia.
Oo.
May version siya niya.
Out here on my own.
Sino kaya?
Akin na lang yan.
Ako'y
Gusto mo?
nag-iisa.
Ano gusto mo, Mare?
Ha?
Gusto mo yan?
Hirap na eh.
Eto na po.
Gusto ni Mare.
Iyan, oh.
Naku, lumam.
French.
French eh.
French is the word?
Ayan.
Oh my God.
Just Kafar.
Wala ba kayong
Go
mga kamay at mga paa?
Go French, go French.
Okay. Let's go, Frenchie.
Go French fries. Woo! Thank you. Sometimes I wonder where I've been, who I am. Do I fit in? Make believing it's hard alone out here on my own. When I'm down and feeling blue, I close my eyes so I can be with you. Oh, baby, be strong for me. Baby, belong to me. Help me through. Help me need you. Sometimes I wonder where I've been, who I am. Do I fit in? I may not win, but I can't be thrown out here on my own. Out here on my own.
Oh, ang galing. Ano ba?
Just Kafar.
Palakpakan nyo naman yan. Grabe,
Matindi,
grabe
matindi.
naman. Oh.